It's just
I'm Kevin. I'm the founder of Save the Oceans. We manufacture oil lift, flubber dust, and all sorts of neat products on the market. But I want to talk to you today about restoring wood in the proper way, and so that things last for a long, long time. We have a piece of a bar here. If you could come down and have a piece, look. This is from an old aircraft hangar, and you can see all the bacteria growing in the wood. So no matter what you coat this stuff with, it's going to fail. So what we did is we took our metal tile grout cleaner here. This is called a safe acid, and what it does is it penetrates into the wood, kills all the mycelium or bacteria, so that the wood pores open right up. And we need that so the coating adheres. Then what we did, I'll turn this over here. If you look at it very carefully, you'll see this finish here, and you'll see this finish here. And what we did is we put our New Life coating on, and we looked under a microscope. Have a look at this. This is at 200 nanometers in length. This is wood, actual wood fibers. Our material is 30 nanometers in length, and it actually goes inside the wood and bonds to it so that nothing else will stick. This is what we do on decks and cedar roofs and so on. That's how we stop them from rotting. This is true wood preservation without the toxic side effects. So once we had that in the wood, this, by the way, this is a red wood coloring. We put it in the wood, and then we top coated it with this material here. What you're looking at, if you're under a microscope, is a piece of glass. This is really cool. So our rock-on coating, though, is stronger than glass. Diamonds are 10 on the Mohs scale. Our material is 8.9 on the Mohs scale. And once it's on there, it's almost as hard as a diamond, but it can still bend. So when you treat a restaurant or your kitchen tables or whatever, what happens is it's almost as impermeable. But, there's all the big science lecture. But let me show you something super cool. Look at the Sharpie. Black felt marker. Everybody knows, what happens when you got a black Sharpie. It's always a mess. The electrons cannot bind to the surface. This surface is now so tough that chemically it can't even bind to itself. So once you put this on, it's almost indestructible. So what we do now is we use our oil lift oil remover. We don't even have to use my graffiti remover, which actually sells my own product out of the market. Duh. We can pour it on and let it go into the surface, and without scrubbing or anything, you can see it dissolving. It can't bind. I mean, is that amazing or what? Seriously. I mean, I know you don't understand all my science techie talk. I hope you science techie guys talk to me. But that's it. The electrons can't attach to the electrons, so you can't get stuff to stick. So we've created a permanent silica surface, and that's it. And let me get a piece of cloth here and watch this. This is crazy. Imagine your kitchen countertops. Every restaurant you go to that we clean with oil lift, people freak out because they think it's clean. It's not clean. But with this technology, it's really clean. So all you bacteria phobes out there, this is the solution for making your house, your business, whatever, your whole home, your car, perfectly clean. This is what the real technology is about. So anyway, join me at Save the Oceans and help with our mission and find out about all our other wonderful toys. And we'll work together to make a better future. So have a great day. Take care. All right.